All right, so I started this workflow using HighLevel's AI workflow builder to get a head start. Now I just need to go in and fine tune all the steps to make it work properly. The first thing I need to do is update all these triggers. I want one trigger for each stage in my pipeline. So I'm setting up triggers for each pipeline stage option in my custom field dropdown. Now, the same thing applies to these if-else conditions. When the AI built this workflow initially, it didn't configure these correctly, so I'm going to change all of them based on which trigger actually fired. This way, each pipeline stage gets its own dedicated branch in the workflow. The first action in each branch is to search for an existing opportunity based on the pipeline and the opportunity name, which contains the contact's name. Quick tip: sometimes when you're working with custom fields, clicking that little tag icon doesn't automatically populate the field. If that happens, just grab it manually from elsewhere in the workflow. Now I'm going to copy these branches under each if-else condition so we have a consistent structure to work with. Then I'll go through and update everything specific to each stage, making sure each branch corresponds to the correct pipeline stage from the trigger. Here's how each branch works. First, we search for the opportunity. If we find it, we update that opportunity. If we don't find it, we create a new opportunity at that stage. Now, when we get to the one stage, we need to change the status to 1 in the opportunity. And when we reach the lost stage, we change the status to lost. But here's where it gets a bit more specific. If the custom field value is lost nurture, we add a nurture tag. If it's lost do not contact, we also enable the do not contact setting for that contact. I'm applying the same logic to each branch and then I'll save it. And boom, we've got our automated pipeline workflow ready to go. Now let me show you the appointment side of things. I don't include booked appointment in that drop-down custom field I just showed you. Instead, that's handled in a separate workflow, the appointment scheduler follow-up workflow. In this workflow, when an appointment is booked, it automatically changes the pipeline stage. Just like before, we search for the opportunity first, then create one if it doesn't exist or update it if it does.